there's only 21 million. And so there's literally more millionaires on the planet than there are Bitcoin. And so if you don't have some, there's the game theory argument that like if the price keeps going up because it's a finite supply, even if you don't believe in it, you should get some now, because if the price continues getting up, like you're going to be priced out and you're going to get a smaller and smaller slice of that 21 million Bitcoin pie. And so even if you think it's going to fail in the scenario that it doesn't, you should get some now, because if it does succeed, you're screwed. So you should get some now. That's what like intelligent exposure is, step one. But what we do, we run a consultancy who works with just strictly high net worth investors. And what we're trying to make the case for with them is that there's a lot more than just Bitcoin. And there's some pretty fantastic products in the broad scope of the crypto market, not just like the meme coins and things that maybe get a lot of mind share on the news, but there's some fantastic products that pay passive yield. There's some really compelling low market cap or early stage assets that you can buy into that are not meme coins. There's actually a business behind them. They earn revenue, and you can apply analysis to assets and the businesses behind those assets pretty intelligently. And sure, they're going to be volatile and maybe some of them are not going to work out, but the ones that do work out are going to give you 1,000%, 2,000%, 5,000% return on like a 1, 2, 3 year time frame, which is crazy compared to the traditional markets. And so the intelligence there is like building a portfolio that has mostly Bitcoin in it, but some other assets too. And then some of these crazy little assets as well that have the potential to really go up. And also the intelligence is not selling the house or taking out a second mortgage and putting it into crypto, but you've got $1 million in financial assets. You take 100,000 of that or 50,000 of that, and then you put it into a crypto portfolio that's balanced, and that's pretty intelligent exposure.
So when you're talking about these larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, there are these ETF options which essentially allow you to purchase a share without having to own the coin, which means you don't have the potential downside of someone kidnapping you and trying to steal your coins, or possibly you losing the keys to your wallet, etc. So the ETFs give you the exposure without the negatives that come with owning cryptocurrencies. Is that right?
Yeah, that is. It comes with negative. Owning the ETFs comes with negatives as well. So, for example, like the argument is that when you really need your Bitcoin, like in the nuclear war type scenario, or like the United States entering bankruptcy type scenario, that's when you really need the physical Bitcoin. And if it's in the ETF, well, that you don't have it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this insight, I've handpicked another video for you right here on the screen. For more actionable strategies that get you real results, hit subscribe.